Hey, hello there. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be talking about weaknesses, and more importantly, how to work on them and improve on those weaknesses. Yeah, so for me, I'm terrible at small edges, crimping, whatever. And at first I thought it was just I had weak fingers, but there's actually a lot of different nuances that I've learned that have helped me improve my climbing. So in this video, we're going to be showcasing a lot of different climbs, and we're going to be talking about things I did to help improve to become a more well-rounded climber. Because ultimately, if you want to be better, you have to round out your skills. Right? Correct.
That's what I tried. Doug has a different way.
Yeah, try it. Do it. Send it. Oh, there we go. Oh! Get so far away. Yeah, boy. Footwork is especially important when it comes to crimpy climbs. One reason being that it takes weight off your fingers, therefore you're not so pumped and you're not so hurt after climbing so many crimps. On top of that, the micro adjustments that you'd want to make while you're climbing, you should plan out in your head before, as to conserve strength and and to be more efficient. And if you're more efficient, you're going to be less pumped, and those final crimps on a pretty much full crimp climb are going to be a lot easier than if you are trying to figure it out as you go, having to think and just sitting there getting more and more pumped.
guys, so another thing that's been helping my training and my climbing in general has been campus boarding. So I've been starting to campus board once a week for just over a month, and I have found it has helped so much. My fingers are stronger, my contact strength is better, so how fast I can get to full strength in my fingers when I grab a hold, you know, just my upper body power in general. And campus board is also really good because I believe it gives you the ability to be more confident in your power and your strength, and I feel like your mental game is really, really important for climbing, because if you don't think you can hold something, you don't think you can reach something or throw for a hold, you probably won't get it. So I feel like it's also really good in just boosting your confidence once you see that progression. This guy's eating chips over here. Ridiculous.
Sending 5s, baby. That looks like a 10, but it's just 2 5s.